If you're looking for a replacement starter motor and you think it's time for an upgrade, check out this full range here from Proflow. There's a couple of reasons why you might want to upgrade your starter motor. The first one is if you built a high compression engine. You've added a lot of compression to your LS, the standard starter motor probably isn't going to like cranking that over. Thinking on that thread, what about a diesel engine? Diesel engines, obviously lots of compression. You're going to want something that can crank it over when you're in the bush and not let you down. Another benefit of running one of these Proflow starter motors is that some of them have a clockable design. That means that if you swapped your starter motor from one side of your LS to the other for headers in a conversion, you can perfectly put yours where it needs to be to get right engagement and get it to fit your swap. Other benefits include a higher output. Some of these can do up to 2 kilowatts, and they're also, in some cases, smaller and lighter than the factory unit, which means they're easier to fit and easier to install, especially if you've got big hands. They're available for all your typical V8s, whether it be your LS, your Holden V8, Chev, Ford, and so on, Chrysler as well. And the best bit is that when you order your starter motor, you'll also get mounting bolts, and in some cases, shims and various other things you need to install it first time out. You can choose from either a raw or a black finish like these ones are here. So to find one to suit your engine, head to proflow.com.au.